Hello, good morning. Just did a weigh-in and we are currently sitting at 136.4 pounds, so going pretty good. Today, we're going to go through a full day of eating. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to eat, and yeah, so let's do it. Alrighty, that's my full day of eating. The grand total would be right here. And if we include the amount of condiments that I added to my meals, it's probably somewhere around 1,200 to 1,300 calories total. So doing pretty good. I got a couple more days till my final weigh-in. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.